AFL's field-replaceable optical port saver connectors protect our entire FlexScan OTDR family and TS100 optical troubleshooters from damage due to repeated mating. To obtain good OTDR test results, its connector must be clean and undamaged. Unfortunately, connecting even a single dirty patch cord or launch cable to an OTDR can contaminate or even damage a typical OTDR's connector end face, resulting in poor test results. Until now, a damaged OTDR connector required the device to be returned to a service center for connector replacement, a costly repair that leaves a technician without their OTDR while it's shipped, repaired, and then returned. FlexScan FS200 and FS300 OTDRs and the TS100 optical troubleshooter can be ordered with an optional field-replaceable port saver, which installs over the OTDR or troubleshooter's factory-configured ferrule. AFL's tool-free replaceable connector adapters mount over the port saver for direct connection to SC, LC, FC, or SC terminated launch cables. The FlexScan's captive dust cap may be installed directly over the port saver with or without the connector adapter installed. In summary, FlexScan field-replaceable port savers protect OTDR ferrules from contamination and damage. Avoid expensive and time-consuming connector replacement at the factory and allow users to convert their OTDR port to accept either UPC or APC connectors.